Hey guys, good afternoon. Yes, another vlog, and today we are going to Wood Green. Bibili ako ng mga kailangan ni baby, like mga ano lang, yung mga importante na lang, yung mga kulang na lang yung bibili namin ni Monsi today. So kukumpletuhin ko na siya para kailangan na namin, you know, mas okay na yung advance, and while I still can. So bibili kami ng ano lang naman, sombrero niya, ano ba, parang pati ko dito sa ano na to, sombrero, ano ba yung bibili to? Pajama, kung meron sa Primark. And ano pa? Yun lang yung bibilin ko today. And then sa Saturday, pupunta tayo ng IKEA. Bibili na tayo ng ano, ng crib ni baby. Ayan. Kesa naman next month pa. And may time naman na kami now to buy the things for the baby. Parang puti ko naman dito. Sandali nga. Pabawas des. Sandali. Ayan, mas okay siya. Ayun. So, mabilis lang kami. Hindi kami magtatagal. And maganda rin kasi yung weather. Actually, ang plan today is pupunta sana kami ng Bangbang Oriental. Kasi doon, andun yung lahat ng mga Asian food. Para siyang, ang tawag dito? Food court ng mga Asian food. May Taiwanese, Japanese, may Filipino din. Is Manila Kitchen. Tapos, yun sana today. Kaso, hindi ko alam. Nagbago lang yung plano. So, punta lang kami ng Primark. Mabilisan lang naman. And I'm starting na rin kasi na i-wash yung I'm starting to wash yung mga damit ni baby. So, ayun. Nakita siya. So, ano bang pag-uusapan natin today? Grabe, ang kati ng tiyan ko. Super. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Tapos parang, basta ang kati niya lang. Kahit nilalagyan ko siya nung Mama Beast, parang hindi siya umi-effect. So, bala ko rin bumili ng bio oil. I-try ko yung bio oil sa tiyan ko today. Tapos, bibili rin ako, mag-change din ako ng soap. Sinabi ko sa inyo nung nakaraan, yung soap na gamit ko is, Dove, diba? Hindi ko alam, parang hindi ko na-bet yung Dove. Gusto ko siyang palitan. So, yun. Mag-ano lang tayo. Simpleng makeup lang.
You have a white hair.
How white hair? Where?
That's it.
Oh my God! Puting buhok ako.
Yeah.
Stress. That's why. I'm stressed, that's why. What you can do. Are you gonna take it off?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Aray ko naman, para namang naputol yun. Magagalit na naman yung mga naputol! Wala dyan. Anong tawag dito? Magagalit na naman pag nakita naman ako sa tinanggal yung white hair ko. Kasi, pag nakikita na lang kalin, meron kang puting buhok. Yung isa ayaw patanggal, yung isa gustong-gustong tanggalin. So, yan. Simple makeup lang naman. Diyan lang naman tayo sa Wood Green. Gusto ko sana pumunta ng Oriental. But anyway, magluluto na ng Kaldereta mamaya. Dapat kahapon ako magluluto ng Kaldereta. Ang problema is, yung liver spread is expired. So, hindi ako nakapagluto ng Kaldereta. How sad life. Oh, today, yung problema nga lang is walang pork cubes. Wala kami mahanapan na pork cubes. Parang, kailan pa kami naghahanap ng pork cubes? When we were looking for pork cubes, we've been looking for pork cubes for like almost a month now, innit?
No. 6.
6.
6
What's 6? So, rin sana magpa-trading ng aking kilay.
Start looking for 4 cubes. In January.
In January, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, hindi pa rin ako nakakapagnilago. Gusto
You
ko rin
not find
sana.
nowhere.
Yeah, hindi ko alam kung ba't hindi kayo makahanap ng pork cubes.
Yeah, we find nowhere. We're looking for everywhere.
Yeah, ang mahal sa eBay. Do you know how much in eBay? They selling it like 2 pounds something.
What's happened with the
2 pounds is 3 pounds.
What's happened
That is
with
so
the pork?
expensive.
Why? What's happened?
And then Beth, she told
What's
me
the
that
reason? I not get it.
I don't know. I don't know either. I don't know why they're not selling pork cubes. I think I'll try like an online shop. There's like a group in Facebook, and there's some people who selling like online things in Facebook. So ayun, magkikilay lang ako, guys.
Pork Cube company has a COVID-19. What?
That's funny.
I don't get it.
I really want to eat nilaga as well, but how you can eat nilaga if there's no pork cubes? Yun eh. So, probably mamaya ang ilalagay ko is beef cubes. Should I just put beef cubes?
And beef meat.
No, pork. Don't have choice, innit?
It's like chicken. When you make a fish soup and you put the chicken cubes, no? It's just like that.
Then that's gonna be happen.
When you make a chicken dish and put the fish cubes. It's not that
We don't
fun.
have choice.
No.
We don't know where we can buy the pork cubes. I wish we have choice.
Just the veg stock.
I think it's not a good idea to go na, my love, because I'm going to be hungry on the way. It's already 12.
So eat.
What are we gonna eat?
Oh, is the bolognese?
Okay, then make pasta na. Please. Ang init.
Panggit.
Oh, you? I know.
My grandma.
So, kakain muna kami bago kami
Panggit.
umalis. Kasi, ako ay gugutumin na naman. And it's already 12. Ayoko naman like drama-drama ako kay Monsi while nasa nasa labas. Kasi, ayoko rin gumastos. Ayoko rin kasi sa wood green. Wala rin ako masyadong bet na gustong kainin. Naisip ko, Turkish food or ano ba mga choices yung KFC, McDonald's. There's a chocolate like Chinese food. Monsi will not eat that. Ano pa ba? Walang choices kasi dun sa wood green. Right. Hey, Mark. Ang daming tao. Monsi. So, punta lang tayo sa kids section. So, sana nasa sa bahay lang naman ako. Kids section. Let's go. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. That's so cute. You ready? And then this one. Oh, what up? So, kids section is here. Yung baby section is here. Papunta tayo dito. That's the baby section, guys. Let's see what we can get. Hi guys! So, kanina pa kami nakauwi. And I'll just show you guys yung pinamili namin for today. So, walang masyadong hot for baby. But I'll show you guys water. Joking. I'm gonna cook kaldereta. So, I asked Monsi na ikat niya yung mga gulay para mabilis ko na lang siyang lutuin. Ine. And, ano siya? Buto-buto. Anyway, I'll show to you guys what binili ko. Bumili ako nitong cleansing wipes ng Simple. Buy one, take one siya. So, libre. Isa. And then, I told you guys, bibili sana ako ng Aveeno body wash. Kaso, wala sila yung pwede sa akin. So, yun. And gusto ko rin talagang mag-shopping sa Superdrug kasi meron akong 20% off. Ano siya? NHS. So, and then I bought this bio oil. Yung bio oil for my stretch mark. Kasi sabi ko nga, diba, kung nangangating nga ako. So, I will try this bio oil. And then, I'll show to you guys yung pinamili na namin for baby. So, I got 2 pairs of hat and mittens. My baby. Let's open it. Yan. Kasi sa Saturday, bili na kami ng crib ni baby sa IKEA. And yung mga kailangan pa. So, ayan. Kaso, ay! Nahulog siya. Ano siya? One size lang siya. I don't know. Well, sana magkasya siya kay baby yan. And the color is gray and white. Walang ibang color na. Nakainis. Ito lang. Tapos yung iba blue, no? So, ito lang. No? There's no many like white. Yeah, sobrang limited. Then, yeah, the mittens is white and gray. Same as the thing, yeah. Then, I bought socks. Yeah, white socks for her. 5 pairs. Tapos, bumili ako ng isa pang, hooded towel niya. So, ayan. Unicorn towel. Ayan, ang binili ko for her. And the other one. So, that's enough. 2 is enough. I don't think so na kailangan ng mas marami. Ayaw niya matanggal. Ayan, ito siya. And cute. Look at that. Kasya ito sa akin. Sweet. Kasya sa akin. Ayan. Ang cute, diba? Unicorn. Tapos, bibili sana ako nung what you call that? Yeah, that's correct. What you call that, my love?
Unicorn.
No. The shirts that I want to buy for her. But, it's like 7 pieces ata yun. For £6.50. Hindi ko na binili kasi inisip ko ang dami niyang damit. So, you know, paglabas yun na lang, let's see kung kailangan pa namin magdagdag. Pero bumili ako nitong sleepsuit. 3 lang. Kasi meron siyang marami rin ata siya. Hindi ko alam. Kailangan ko pa i-check. So, 0 to 3 months old. Ayan. Yung binili ko for her. 3. So, let's see first. Iniisip ko kasi kung ano yung gagamitin niya. Paglabas niya ng hospital, meron na. Pero yung paglabas niya saan, hindi ko alam kung anong kailangan niya isuot. So, ayan. Ito lang yung binili namin. And I'm going to cook kaldereta. Spare ribs na gagamitin for my calderets. And then, these are the ingredients. So, I will just follow panlasang Pinoy ingredients. I have here the liver spread. Kaunti lang ilalagay natin kasi hindi tayo pwede ng liver spread. Sabi ni Mama, kaunti lang daw. So, ayan. Ayan ang ating ingredients for this. Guys, luto na yung kaldereta ko din. Maluluto pa lang yung kaldereta ko. And I'm so happy! Achievement! Char. Sarap niya. And I'm so excited to eat. So, I'll show to you guys how it look like now. Oh my God. Actually, nagki-crave na ako nito since like 2 days ago. Kaso yung liver spread ko is expired na. So, ayun. Show to you. Here's my caldereta.